Wix quick tutorial, main features you need to create a website. Hello guys, Ilya here, and here we are on Wix.com. Today I'm going to show you main features, how can we create the website on website builder called Wix. Basically, we need to click on get started in the right top corner, and after that we'll need to create an account. We can simply create it with email or continue with Gmail or Facebook. In my case, I'm going to continue with Gmail, as for me this is the easiest variant. And in a few seconds we'll come to the next page, to our main page where we can manage all of our websites. As you can see, I already have like 4 here, but you won't have them. So all we need to do is just to click on create new site in the right top corner right up here. So we'll come to a page where we need to describe our website. So what kind of website are you creating? We can easily choose something from here. I'm going to click on skip in the right bottom corner to show you all the opportunities of the Wix templates. And also, what would you like to call your website? Let it be like site 1. It doesn't matter. It's only for the Wix like dashboard where all the sites are stored. So let's click on next. And also, what would you like to add to your website? We can simply add different sections, but in my case, I'm going to add them while editing the website. So I will just click on skip in the right bottom corner. And we'll come to this page where we can easily start setting up our website. We can go to dashboard. But I suggest you to click on begin with a template, so we can easily choose a template we are going to use. Of course, we can create the website from scratch. I'll just click on blank templates, but in my case, to make it easier, I'll show you how to work with an existing template. So as you can see, we have like some categories here: business and services, store, creative, community, blog, and each one is divided into different like also sections: business, health and wellness, beauty and hair, store, fashion and clothing, art and crafts, and so on. So there are a lot of different templates, basically tons of templates we can use for free. They're totally responsive. So let's try to use, for example, this one here. Basically, you can find the necessary category, for example, for blog, maybe for personal blog, just something from here. But in my case, I'm going to use this website. So let's click on view. So we'd like to find how does it looks like. As for me, it's pretty cool, just single page resume. We can add some sections or pages, and as you can see, we can simply swipe between different devices, and it's totally responsive. As for me, it's pretty cool that Wix provides us the opportunity to work with responsive websites. So let's click on edit this site in the right top corner, and we'll come to our editor. Basically, it may take a little time. It depends on the server's capacity, maybe our internet connection. So all we need to do here is just to wait. And here we are on our editor. Let's have a quick tour. In the left side, there is like different options. We can have elements. Basically, elements is like text, image, button, strip, decorative. All the things on the page is like basically element. We can also add different sections. Sections are like pages on this huge page. So there are a lot of blank templates, or we can use like templates with welcome page, about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, and so on. So let's try to add maybe some welcome page here. So let it be like this. And as you can see, it was successfully appeared in like our workspace. So now it's right up here. Also, we can manage all the pages and menu. For example, we have home, resume, projects, and contacts. You can find the same right up here in our menu. We can change the order, and as you can see now, projects are the first. So basically, this is a way of how can we interact with our pages. Also, we can like switch between them, which we can just simply click, and as you can see, the resume page was successfully open. So let's go back to home. Also, we can change the wall size style. We can change the color palette. As you can see, if I'm changing, all the colors are changing, and also they have like different styles. Yeah, as you can see, it looks like this. We can also like switch also even only colors, or we can switch the fonts only. It's also in the same like folder here. So all we need to know is just to every single website on Wix contains from different sections: header, this section with welcome information, about us information, and the footer. So we can simply move them down, move them up, we can edit them, we can explore section layouts. So basically it's pretty cool. We can just simply click on quick edit, we can change the background and do some other stuff. Basically all the properties of the pages of elements usually appeared in the right side menu. So here we are, we can change the make it like a color only, image, video, and so on. So the steps are quite simple. In order to add the section, we can only click here or click here. So we can also organize every single element. We can just simply click, and as you can see, we can change the position, we can click on edit text and change the themes, font size, make it bold, italic, underline. Basically there are a lot of properties we can change, like effect, character and line spacing, vertical text, SEO and accessibility, and so on. We can also add the animation here, make it the link, or just find some information in help area. The same way is with button, we can just simply click on change text and icon, we can change the text, we can add the link. So basically we can just simply click here. And what do you want to link to? None, page, web address, section or anchor, and so on. There are a lot of options we can interact, and every single element here has its own like properties. For example, for the image, we can also add the image, and let's add this one here. So as you can see, we can just simply resize it, place it somewhere here. And if we'll click on change image, we can find the ability to change it. We can upload our own images or find them from stocks. Basically we have crop, filters, and so on. So every single element has its own properties. In order to save the website, we just simply need to click on save in the right top corner, and then just click on save and continue. And when everything is done, we can even publish it totally for free. Basically, if you click on publish, we can click on view site, and our website is available. You'll have the link, so the link is right up here. You can share it with friends and some other guys. So we can simply click on done, and if we'll click on Wix in the left top corner, we'll come to our dashboard with our website information. From this page here, we can also manage a lot of interesting things. We can manage marketing and SEO, analytics and reports, and of course like finances area. So these are like advanced features. You can find information about them in my another guides. So if you click on upgrade, we can discover the paid plans. They have like 4 plans: VIP, unlimited, combo, and only connect the main option. So as you can see, the prices are pretty cool. They have like 50% off now. As for me, 10 euros, 8.50 instead of 17, 14.50 instead of 29. So we can discover all the differences right up here and then decide is it necessary as for us to use. So this is the quick tour of Wix. Hope guys this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.